Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And then within this section, look for the Profile button at the top of the page and click on that. And as you can see, you can set a profile picture from your gallery, or you can take a photo. You can set the flair, like which emoji you want to use. You can set your status if you're a beginner or you're complete starter. And then you can add your first and your last name. You can set your country, and you can provide like more in-depth location. And you can also set the language. This will direct you to the settings on your phone. And yeah, that's it. If you're ready, then just click on this tick button at the top of the page on the right, and your data is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.